Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to make a layered soap using activated charcoal. Before adding the lye solution, I've added some buttermilk powder to the melted oils. Blend well using the stick blender. Then it's time to pour the lye solution down the shaft of the stick blender to avoid any air bubbles. Blend well with the stick blender until it reaches an emulsion. Once emulsion has been reached, I've added essential oils. The blend consists of patchouli, lemon, sweet orange, and bergamot essential oils. Split the soap batter into 4 equal parts. Add 1 teaspoon of activated charcoal immersed in sunflower oil into one of the soap batter. Using the stick blender, stick blend to thick trace. Pour the first layer into the mold. Scrape the remains into the soap mold, and I'll leave some to texture the soap top. Tap to release air bubbles. Leave the soap to set and texture it with a spoon. Now we're going to repeat the same for the next layer, and this time using 3/4 of a teaspoon. Mix well and stick blend to thick trace. Pour the second layer of soap without disrupting the first layer of soap. Level the soap with the spatula without disrupting the layers. For the third layer, we're going to use half a teaspoon of activated charcoal. Before adding in the third layer, we're going to texture the soap top again with the spoon. Again, stick blend to thick trace. Pour in the soap and repeat as before. For the very last layer, we're going to add some kaolin clay mixed with water and stick blend to thick trace. Adding in the last layer and smooth it out with a spatula. Now scrape all the remaining soap from the different layers on top of the soap. Afterwards, use a chopstick to texture the top. Here is the close-up for the soap. Now it's time to cut the soap after 2 to 3 days. The layers have turned out pretty well. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.